In the early 20th century, Thomas Hunt Morgan discovered that genes are located on chromosomes. The behavior of chromosomes during meiosis explains inheritance patterns, including segregation and independent assortment. Chromosome abnormalities can lead to genetic disorders.
During meiosis, homologous chromosomes separate and assort independently, leading to genetic variation in offspring. Crossing over can also occur, further increasing genetic diversity. Errors during meiosis can result in non-disjunction, leading to aneuploidy.
In humans, the X and Y chromosomes determine an individual's sex. X-linked traits are inherited differently in males and females, leading to different inheritance patterns. Certain genetic disorders are caused by mutations on the sex chromosomes.
Chromosome abnormalities, such as aneuploidy or translocations, can result in genetic disorders such as Down syndrome or Turner syndrome. Mutations in genes or chromosomes can also lead to inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. Genetic testing can identify these disorders and inform medical decisions.